So welcome back. Now we will see like mycorrhiza. We're going to talk about some important features of mycorrhiza. Okay. So these are the organisms which did not get any place in any of the kingdom system of classification because of their very complex behavior and very complex characters. So we're going to talk about first mycorrhiza. Important, these are very important from entrance point of view as well as from your board exam. Always question comes. First of all is definition. It is a symbiotic relationship between fungi and the roots of higher plant. So what is mycorrhiza? It is basically a symbiotic association between fungi and the roots of higher plant. Symbiotic means what? In biological form we write plus and plus. That means both organisms they get benefit from each other. Okay? Both the organisms কি কৰে এটা আৰু এটা ওপৰত নিৰ্ভৰ থাকে in terms of food, in terms of support or in terms of anything. Okay, they are dependent on each other just like husband and wife. Okay, which cannot live without together. Yeah, which cannot live with each other. What without together? So they are just like husband and wife, both are dependent on each other. Support for food, for anything, for encourage. So that organism is called as a mycorrhiza. So it shows the symbiotic association between fungi and the roots of higher plant. Okay, higher plant means tall plant. Okay, those plants which are tall, the roots of that plant which are very tall. So they are the symbiotic association or symbiotic relationship. Okay? It is about mycorrhiza. So that's it. This is its definition. Now the function we will see. It has some advantage in plant. So first advantage is it increases. This means increases, okay? In symbolically, I am writing this, so you write sentence. It increases the area of absorption of soil. Okay, first function is the mycorrhiza. What it do? It increases the area of absorption of soil. Next function, it increases efficient phosphate to soil. Okay, it increases the efficient phosphate increase करते हैं soil में. Next function, it also acts as a biofertilizer. Okay, so remember these are the important functions of mycorrhiza. First of all, they are the symbiotic relationship between the fungus and the root of higher plant. Symbiotic association means both the organisms they depend on each other. They cannot live without each other. They cannot live without each other. Okay, they need both the organism. So the function is increases the area of absorption, phosphate, and it also acts as a biofertilizer. Example, very important, you need to remember. So I'm going to wrap this, so let me write example. Very easy to remember. BAM. 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 stands for vesicular, avascular mycorrhiza. Its full form. Vesicular, avascular mycorrhiza. Okay, so this is the example of one very important example of mycorrhiza. Okay, so all these organisms are very important. Next we will see lichen. Again, very important, lichen. What is lichen? It is a symbiotic relationship between fungi and algae. Okay? What is algae? We will discuss in details in next chapter. So it is a symbiotic relationship between algae and fungi. You might have seen in your surrounding area, nearby your house. Tumaloke dekhisa sage kintu tumaloke notice kora nai. Kobar tumalokor ghoror sukot jot you know where there is no sunlight, jot dhup komke pore kisuman jagat wallot tumaloke dekhisa sage bathroomor back side or ba gosor, you know, the bark of the tree tumaloke dekhisa white color enekwa white color kenekwa dekhom aru enekwa dekhunte aru irregular shape thake pathoroto dekha pam. So attach hoi thake তোমালোকৰ বাথৰুমৰ বেক সাইডত বা যত মানে ধূপ নপৰে আৰু এনেকুৱা এৰিয়াত দেখা পোৱা যায় হেতু আমি কি কম লাইকেন বুলি কম এটো কি হয় এটো it is a symbiotic relationship between algae and fungi. So algae and fungi symbiotic relationship, both organisms they depend on each other for the support food for anything. They cannot live without each other, just like husband and wife. So they are the symbiotic relationship between algae and fungi. Remember. So we're going to see some important characters. Lichen grows only in that place where there is a less pollution. Okay, lichen tate grow hoy jot pollution komke poa jay, komke thake aru kom hoy pollution. So it grows in a less polluted area. Okay, you will find lichen only in that place where there is a less pollution. जहाँ पे pollution ज़्यादा होंगे हम लोग को lichen नहीं मिलेगा. So that's why we call it as a pollution indicator. It is also called as a pollution indicator. Okay, hetu karone ame tak ki boli kobo paru pollution indicator boli kobo paru mane jote jikono area jodi ami jao eta particular area jodi ami lichen dekha pao to ami ki bhabibo paru de hetu area pollution nai thakileo bahut kom level ot ase. So we can indicate that if you find lichen in any place, in some place where we visit, if we find any lichen, so we can, you know, understand that those areas are less polluted because lichens are very sensitive to sulfur dioxide. Okay, SO2, because lichen are very sensitive to sulfur dioxide So that's why they do not grow in a polluted area. Pollution কি পোৱা যায় maximum amount কি molecules পোৱা যায় pollution আমি sulfur dioxide বেছি amount পোৱা যায় বেলেগ molecules থাকে like carbon monoxide থাকে sulfur dioxide কি বেছি amount পোৱা যায় in pollution যত মানে smoke unburned smoke produce হয় vehicles or যেতিয়া ওলাই industries পৰা যেতিয়া ওলাই বা যিকোনো pollution ঘৰৰে হোক কৰবাত যদি কিবা জ্বলাই আছে প্লাষ্টিক বোৰ তো তাৰ পৰা বহুত এমাউন্টৰ সালফাৰ ডাইঅক্সাইড মলিকিউলস ফৰ্ম হয় তো যত সালফাৰ ডাইঅক্সাইড থাকিব যোনটো এনভায়ৰনমেন্টত তাত লাইকেন কিটেও গ্ৰো নহয় ওকে হেই কাৰণে আমি তাক কি কম দে আর ভেরি সেনসিটিভ টু সালফার ডাইঅক্সাইড সলিউশন সো রিমেম্বার দিস one more characters they show very slow growth okay their growth is very slow the shapes of lichens are irregular and a particular shape nathake lichen or irregular shapes thake okay the shapes of lichen ei to kyo likhi aso moi tomaloke likhiba already the shapes of lichen are irregular they have irregular shapes okay irregular aru eta definite shape na thake so eneko thakibo irregular shape so try to see this structure netot sabole try koribasun google sot nole youtube ase so try to see all those structure in your internet use your internet for education purpose only don't use it for other stuff मूवी के लिए गानों के लिए हाँ देखना चाहिए लेकिन टाइम वेस्ट मत करो ठीक है एजुकेशन पर्पस में ज़्यादा यूज़ करो फ़ोन को सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द क्वेश्चन तुम लोग को ये क्वेश्चन मिलेगा ही मिलेगा देख लो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट लाइकेंस आर द सिम्बायोटिक एसोसिएशन ऑफ algae and fungi it grows in a less polluted area because they are very sensitive to sulfur dioxide solution that's why they are also called it as a pollution indicator their growth is very slow and the shapes are irregular okay so lichens का भी types होते हैं there are 3 types of lichen we find there are 3 types of lichen we find number 1 crustose lichen or crustose lichen তোমালোকে যেনেকুৱা pronounce কৰা আৰু foliose lichen আৰু এটা হ'ল fruticose lichen okay crustose lichen foliose lichen and fruticose lichen so there are 3 types of lichen we find in an environment so example I'll give you homework try to write minimum at least 2 example of all types of lichen ठीक है if you don't find I will give you so this is about lichen we have seen mycorrhiza we have seen lichen in next we will see virus the structure the characteristics some important parts of virus we will see then we will see viroids then we will see prions then after that biological classification will be finished